All right. The difference means to subtract. The product means we're going to multiply. The sum means to add. And the quotient means we're going to divide. So when I write number 1 out, it's going to be A minus B. 2 is going to be A times B. You can use parentheses, you can use the dot, or you can just write AB. Any of those I will take. The sum of A and B is A plus B, and the quotient is going to be A divided by B. In those orders. Okay, questions? Yes, for number 4, you could also have A slash B. Yes, you could even do it A divided by B. I'd take that too. Any other questions? Okay, now on your actual quiz, they're not in this order. So don't memorize the order here and get them all wrong, okay? But it's the same problem. I'm just switching the main word around. All right, so this is just a typo. It should be another tabbed over. I didn't catch it. Raise A to the 5th power. Go ahead. How do we write that out? Raise A to the 5th power. You just write it A to the 5th. A to the 5th power. Triple the product of A and B. Triple the product of A and B. Triple means we're going to multiply by 3. The product means we're going to multiply. So we're just going 3 times A times B. You can use dots in between, and you can just write it 3AB because it means multiplying. Okay, so 3AB. All right, number 7. $25 fewer than A. 25 fewer than A has to be this way. And some of you are giggling because I'm saying it, but it has to be this way. A minus 25. Because 25 fewer means you have to subtract the 25. Not subtract the A. You're not subtracting A. You're subtracting the 25. So 25 fewer than means minus 25. Okay? So hopefully you can remember that. All right, and then 8, 9, 10, and 11 are just like X6 and X5. So go ahead and do those 4. I'll give you a minute. Work through those 4, and then I will do them. That has to be it. Yeah, because it's a product. Product is multiplication. Product is multiply. So you have it as a half. So if you just change it to a multi-hat, then it's fine. So number 8, negative 9 times A. So this will be a negative 9 times A to negative 18. B minus 7, B is 3, so it'll be 3 minus 7. I'm taking away more than I have, negative 4. You can rewrite this as 3 plus a negative 7. Still get negative 4. Number 10, 10 minus 2C, that's 2 times C. So that's 10 minus 8 is 2. And number 11 is 3 times A minus 6. A is 2, so it's 3 times 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is a negative 4, so you get 3 times negative 4, negative 12. Questions? Okay, so let's do this then. Let's just go ahead and take the quiz right away. When you're done with the quiz, put it in the basket. One thing I want to talk about here is when you're doing X6, some of you did it last year. Okay, if you did it last year, try to get to a SMART score of 100 or do at least 10 problems because you need to practice this year. Okay, so, or do at least 10 problems. If you didn't do it, it's still scored out of an 85. So don't just do 10 problems to be done because you won't have an 85 if you didn't do it last year. Okay, so you still, it's going to be out of 85. So here you get bonus points if you get it to 100. All right, put everything away. No calculator. No, you don't have to take this right now unless you feel like you're ready. It's up to you. Yes, no. So work on those other ones. Take one past that. Just a minute. Yeah, this is Form A, right? You got Form A? Yeah, Form A is the actual quiz. When you're done, put it in the basket.
I'm going to phrase this.
Right here, this is right. Okay? You just gotta get the right answer from there. Yeah, that's fine. Again, when you're done, put it in the basket and then work on. What the question? Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's fine. Yep. Keep working. Oh. There. Yeah, that's fine. No te importa.